All right, the recording has started. All right, good morning again, everyone. Just a brief announcement. So as you probably noticed, the first midterm has been graded and returned. So you can find a copy of your graded midterm within CrowdMark as you do with your homework assignments. I haven't yet posted the solutions. Those will go up right after class today. I just remembered that I hadn't done it this morning, so I'll get them done right after class. If you do have any concerns about how your particular exam was graded, you could chat with a TA in the workshop. That's a good first step. Just to answer the most obvious question that people are going to ask, what was the average? I believe it was 73%. So it was quite well done. So yeah, we were grading up a storm yesterday, so that was fun. There was actually only 3 of us, and then the workshop coordinator jumped in to help finish it off. So that was pretty nice to see. Yeah, I'm just looking at the chats here. The one example. So thanks for that. So anyways, yeah, the solutions will get posted, and I'll post an announcement with a little bit of information about summarizing the results of the first midterm. What question do people struggle with the most? They struggled with the question number 5, the one about the vector triple product. So there was the 2 arguments. Part A was an argument using orthogonality, and part B was an argument using components. The components argument was generally done fairly well. There was the exception where some people didn't realize that the I, J, and K vectors were the standard basis vectors. So that's what makes that all work. So that I is 0, 0, 1, J is 0, 1, 0, and K is 1, 0, 0. For the orthogonality argument, there was a good number of people, a good handful of people, probably say about 20 people who nailed it. And then there was others who tried to argue using orthogonality, but just couldn't quite get the full argument to work out. All right. Yeah, so I see some comments there about it was a race against time. So the exam length was 5 questions. We had 45 minutes, so you're looking at about 9 minutes per question. It's natural to sort of feel the time pressure for the first one. Now that you got used to how the timing is going to work, you'll definitely see improvements for the second and third one, because if you adjust your studying just before the exam to be about, okay, now I got the material, now I'm just trying to speed up the way I can present it. So that's one thing to focus on. I will say that last semester we had the same 3 exams, 45 minutes, 10-minute upload, and the same lengths. And students did feel the time pressure for the first one, but then the second and third, there was seemingly no issues with time, because they adjusted to what the number of questions were in the time period that we were asking. And same with for the final exam. There's generally no pressures with time then. So this is a good learning opportunity, and keep that in mind when you're studying moving forward. All right. Yeah, the statement of the question said, short answer questions provide justification. So for the true false, it could be that was a derivative of the cross product of 2 space curves. It could be just a false, no, no, this isn't true, this is false, because the derivative of a cross product follows the cross product rule. So that would be one way to justify it, that it had to be the derivative of the first cross the second plus the first cross the derivative of the second. And then for the other short answer ones, they were calculations involved. So that would be the justification required.